Chase. Hey, mute the TV just a minute. Okay, he's gonna slide Batman down. He's gonna slide Batman down. Clark slid Batman down. Now he's gonna go down. He's gonna go down. Go down the slide. Can you go down the slide?
You're gonna go fall backward.
That's a good boy. Yeah, you're a tough boy. Yeah, you're a tough boy.
Clark's did it.
You're a tough boy. Yeah.
Clark's trying to say.
He said, oh. Smile for us.
Ooh, yeah, that's bright.
Oh.
You puckering that lip out.